I'm Amit Sinha. I'm the executive pastry chef of RSVCD Club. Today we're going to talk about the lemon tarts. So lemon tart, if you go with the flavor profile, it is nice and sweet. At the same time, it's tangy as well, so which is very balanced and cut through the sweetness. So if you break them down, one is the vanilla shortcrust, which is nice and crispy. Then goes the lemon creamy, which is tangy, sweet at the same time. And then on top, we just do a meringue, which is sweet, which cuts through all the tanginess from the lemon tart and makes it a nice balanced flavor. So in making the lemon tarts, we have 3 different steps. The first step, a very important step, is the shortcrust, the vanilla shortcrust. So you make into a dough and then let the dough rest for some time so the gluten in the flour does not overwork. And then we line into a mold, then we bake it. So the shortcrust pastry is to be shortcrust, like it should be nice, easily to break, but it still should hold the texture as well. And it's actually more like a sandy texture when you eat. So, and then we make the lemon curd. In the lemon curd, we use the lemon juice, sugar, eggs, butter, and a bit of a gelatin in it. You pour it into the baked tart shells which we already have and then let it set in the fridge. So the texture and taste for the lemon curd is tangy, of course, because from the lemon, and sweet from the sugar. So we have actually created a recipe where it's balanced in between sweetness and the tanginess. So it cuts through the sweetness and the tanginess with the lemon and the sugar. And the butter gives it a nice creaminess. And then once it's ready and set, so we garnish it with a clear glaze, and then after we put a top of a meringue kisses on it and with a chocolate plaque on it. So this is, I think, one of the first desserts we started when we opened up in 2005, and since then we have actually kept it the same way. The recipe has been the same since the very first time we started, and there is a nice consistency in that dessert.